Cab's hip.
Sure is.
So,
How you been? Yeah. Yeah, we'll just use that. Yep. Go ahead, buddy. We have a little bit extra, then I can spread it out on that approach, but we'll try to get it close.
gotta do the YouTube stuff.
That's good.
It's a fucking sander to mine, I guess.
Just go ahead and go to that sidewalk there. Yeah, I see it there. Go right to the top of your sidewalk there. Can you snap it?
Yep.
Perfect.
Cab's hip. Bob's here.
Buddy, I don't have my boots, so I'll probably go ahead and run the buggy. What up?
How you doing, man?
Good, how you doing?
Not too bad. A little on the drier side.
Yeah, I can hear that.
Fucking fighting all day.
Today's my dog's birthday.
Is it?
Yeah, they're turned 3 today. All right, yeah, we're gonna have to put at least 5 more in there. I'm gonna take this up there though. Yeah, well, I mean, we've got like 4 or 5 jobs set up ready to pour. It's been cold and now it's gonna be raining this week, so we haven't been pouring a lot, but we've been setting a lot of stuff up. Yeah, we'll see how that does. Go ahead and fill it up. Yeah, you know, up to about right there, so. Well, it looks like it's, well, I'm just gonna get going all the way across the front here. I will, I'll throw some in my truck. Well, I'll give you the one I got on. Go ahead and fill that buggy up.
One more for me, then we'll go up. All right, up. Go. I got one more pull in me. What about you?
Whoa.
Whoa! Easy, biscuit. It is pretty.
crusty on the top, but it's still soft. That's all right. Yeah, man, look at you guys. Yeah. All right. Nice work today, man.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
I'll see you guys at the shop, buddy. I'll see you later.
See you in the morning.
Yep.
Great job today, everybody.
Yep.
Thanks for having me, buddy. Let's go drink.
Oh, hey. I didn't even say anything, and he said something to me.
That's the most he's said in like the last 3 hours.
That's crazy. Well, what? Just give him 30 minutes, and he's not going to shut up.
Right.